If you use WhatsApp for your business, you do not want to get banned. In this video, we'll show you how to stay compliant with WhatsApp's policies, avoid common pitfalls, and best practices to avoid being banned. WhatsApp has strict policies in place for businesses using its platform to communicate with customers, ensuring a positive user experience on the platform. They cover various aspects, including the nature of messages, data privacy, and permissible product promotions. Violation of any of these rules can lead to your account being banned by WhatsApp. For example, WhatsApp prohibits businesses from operating, buying, selling, promoting, or otherwise facilitating exchange of illegal products or services. These include real money gambling, adult products and services, and more. For a more comprehensive list, you can click on the link above. Another reason WhatsApp may ban your account is when you send unsolicited promotional messages to customers. WhatsApp strictly prohibits spam and requires businesses to only message those who have opted in. So whenever users report a spam, WhatsApp takes these reports seriously, putting your account at risk. Lastly, sending too many messages in a short period can also trigger a ban, as WhatsApp systems can detect when large quantities of messages are sent in a short time. Now you may wonder, what's going to happen if WhatsApp bans your business account? While some of you might think that you can get a new number to message customers, it's not that simple. Starting over can affect your customers' trust in your business and creating a cycle that can significantly hinder your brand's growth. The best way to avoid these issues is to prevent getting banned in the first place. As we've mentioned before, you must adhere to WhatsApp's business messaging policy and Meta Commerce policy. Make sure you get opt-ins from new customers, explicitly granting consent to receive your promotional messages. Avoid importing contacts for broadcasting without explicit opt-ins, as broadcasting should mainly be used for retargeting, not cold outreach. That said, update your WhatsApp broadcast lists regularly, so if a customer opts out of receiving your messages, you can remove their name from your list. And remember to prioritize quality over quantity. Each message should be valuable and useful, whether it's informational, transactional, or value-added content. Avoid unnecessary and repetitive messages, as they can be seen as spam. If your WhatsApp business account gets banned, there is still hope. You can appeal the ban directly with WhatsApp. For the WhatsApp Business app, you can appeal within the app itself, whereas for the WhatsApp Business platform or API, follow the next steps. First, sign in to your business manager. Then, click the All Tools icon on the sidebar and click on Business Support Home. Next, select the relevant WhatsApp business account. After that, choose from the list of violations and click Request Review. Then, enter supporting details and click Submit. The appeal review decision typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Once Meta has reviewed your appeal, they will either reverse the violation or leave it unchanged. If you're looking to use WhatsApp API for your business and are worried about getting banned, sign up with Respond.io. We can help you follow all the necessary guidelines, provided your business meets legal requirements. This helps maintain your account's credibility and reduces the risk of being banned. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep the conversation going on Respond.io.